with this explanation.
स्टार्ट केलं का? Good morning, my dear student. Last lecture we have taken crystalline structure. First, we have to discuss solids, amorphous crystal and crystalline solids. After that, lattice translation vector. Now, today you have to discuss 3 points: periodicity in crystals, unit cell and Miller indices. Periodicity in crystals. periodicity in crystals, इसमें हम 1 डायमेंशनल, 2 डायमेंशनल, 3 डायमेंशनल. 1 डायमेंशन क्या होता है, 2 डायमेंशन क्या होता है, 3 डायमेंशन, तीनों डायमेंशनल हम यहाँ पे पढ़ाई करेंगे. ठीक है. periodicity in crystals. In 1848, scientist Bravis introduced the concept of space lattice. Now you have to consider translation of an object. I have to show diagrams, means symbolically by the letter J to a finite distance A. First diagram is symbolically infinite number of points, and second is a finite numbers with a distance A. Translation operation repeats objects infinite number of times in one direction, means single straight line in one direction. Therefore, such an operation, a one dimensional periodic array. One dimensional periodic array means infinite linear arrays of J's can be obtained as shown in figure. How to show that? Two dimensionals. If the translation A is combined with another non-linear translation B, then a two-dimensional array is shown in figure A. And two-dimensional array means A is objects. You have to consider symbol as J, and second is point, means plane lattice. After that, third dimension, if the plane pattern having repetition interval A and B is combined with third non-coplanar translation C, then a three-dimensional array is obtained. In a similar way, the corresponding collection of points shown in figure B, called a three-dimensional or space lattice. Last lecture we have to discuss translation lattice vector, means two-dimensional, three-dimensional. Two-dimensional means n1 a bar plus n2 b bar, and three dimensional means n1 a bar plus n2 b bar plus n3 c bar. A bar, b bar, c bar are the vectors. You know that. This is a space lattice, three-dimensional space lattice. Now, next point is unit vectors. Unit vectors is the smallest repeating portion of a crystal lattice, mean building blocks of lattice points, called as unit cells. Also may be regarded as the building blocks for constructing the complete lattice and are known as unit cell of the lattice. You know that unit cell occurs in many different varieties, but you have to consider only cubic crystals. Cubic crystals में simple cubic आता है, उसके बाद body center cubic and face center cubic. You have to show diagram. first is a simple cubic unit cell, second is a body center cubic unit cell, and third is a face center cubic unit cells. Now you have to discuss Miller indices. Miller indices represent the orientation of plane in a lattice. अपन को प्लेन फाइंड आउट करना है, बहुत सारे प्लेन है लेकिन पर्टिकुलर एक्सिस पे अपन प्लेन फाइंड आउट करना है. Was is a British crystallographer. Miller indices. Miller is a British crystallographer. The indices of plane are known as the Miller indices. There are 3 steps you have to solve the problems. How you have to find the planes? Means this is 3 or 4 steps. The steps involved to determine the Miller indices of plane are known as follow. First step is find the intercepts of the plane on the crystallographic axis. Second, take reciprocal of these intercepts, and third one is just simplify to remove fraction if any and enclose the number obtained into parenthesis. Means अब प्रॉब्लम में समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. ठीक है, एक प्रॉब्लम ले अपन ने डिटरमाइन द मिलर इंडाइसिस ऑफ अ प्लेन ऑफ 2a 3a and 2 angstrom units, third 3 angstrom units, 4 angstrom units on the coordinate axis of orthorhombic crystallographics. A is to B is to C, therefore 4 is to 3 is to B 2. ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन इसमें क्या करना है अपन को? यूनिट ट्रांसलेशन मीन्स A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 2. इंटरसेप्ट्स क्या है? A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 2. इंटरसेप्ट्स क्या है उनके? मीन्स कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस 2 एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट में 2 लिखना है, 3 में 3 एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट 3 एंड 4 एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट्स में 4. सेकंड स्टेप क्या है? डिवीजन बाय यूनिट ट्रांसलेशन. उसको अपन डिवाइड करेंगे 2/4. A is equal to 4 है, ठीक है. 3/3 मीन्स B is equal to 3 and 4/2 मीन्स C is equal to 2. रेसिप्रोकल क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा? 2, 1, 1/2. आफ्टर क्लियरिंग फ्रैक्शन मीन्स उसको सॉल्व करना है. डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स आफ्टर क्लियरिंग फ्रैक्शन 4, 2, 1. द रेसिप्रोकल मिलर इंडाइसिस ऑफ द प्लेन आर 4, 2, 1. दिस इज अ प्लेन. ठीक है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम है लेकिन मैंने एक ही प्रॉब्लम चूज किया यहाँ पे, बाद में प्रॉब्लम लेते अपन ने. ठीक है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर यू हैव टू डिस्कस इज रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस एंड टाइप्स ऑफ दैट. मींस सिंपल क्यूबिक, बॉडी सेंटर, बहुत सारे जितने भी क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल है 7 टाइप्स अपन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पर डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
इकडे जावं, इकडे क्रॉस इकडे वर सगळ्यात वर रेड क्रॉस आहे, क्रॉस करा, क्लोज करा तुम्ही रेडवर. आता स्टॉप करा.